In this video series, I intend on using certain datasets to introduce machine learning concepts. Specifically, I'll be using the Keras API, as described in the previous video, to run on top of the Tensorflow backend. In order for you guys to follow along, you must set up several tools. That is exactly what I'll be doing in this video. I will show you how to set up Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, Tensorflow, and Keras. Let's jump right in. First, we will download Anaconda, but before we do that, what is Anaconda? As far as we're concerned, Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python programming language, specifically designed for machine learning applications and data science that simplifies package management. It makes machine learning easier. In order to download it, click on the first link in the video description. That will lead you to this web page, or something similar in the case that it is updated in the future. From here, select the download corresponding to your computer's operating system, then click the download button for Python 3.7. Python version 3 brought many new features. However, it also brought many changes to the older version 2 Python. As a result, some people who were accustomed to version 2 prefer to continue using it. Especially for beginners, it is better to use and learn version 3, as version 2 will be dropped or removed in 2020. By downloading Anaconda, you get Conda, or Anaconda's package manager, Python, Jupyter Notebook, and hundreds of other packages. Next, we will need to create a new virtual environment. But what is a virtual environment? In Python, a virtual environment is an isolated working copy of Python that allows you to work on one project without affecting another. You can have multiple installations of Python for different projects, and one won't affect another. Remember, Anaconda is a distribution of Python, so doing this allows you to run other versions of Python, like the standard version, as well. In your command prompt on Windows or terminal on Mac, type the following commands. I will include all of them in the video description so that you can easily copy and paste them. Conda create-n and then your environment name. Make sure your environment name includes no spaces. After clicking enter and getting this prompt, type y, then enter. Pretty easy, right? Well, that's the beauty of Conda. From this point on, make sure you have your environment activated. This means that after we activate it right now, if you close your terminal or command prompt, you'll need to reactivate it. If you are on Mac, type source activate, then your environment name. If you are on Windows, type activate, then your environment name. From here, your command line should look something like this. Next, we will type in the following commands. Conda install Tensorflow, which will install Tensorflow in our virtual environment. To install Keras in our virtual environment, we can type Conda install Keras. From my personal experience, I found that in order for Jupyter Notebook to work as it should, using the virtual environment that we have made, you need to install a package by the name of nb_conda. It will allow us to easily switch between virtual environments. So in the command line, we need to type conda install nb_conda. Next, let's launch Jupyter Notebook and take a look at what exactly it is. Note that you already got Jupyter Notebook by downloading Anaconda. You can launch Jupyter Notebook through the command line. You simply type Jupyter Notebook. Take note that Jupyter is spelled with a Y instead of an I. In order to stop Jupyter Notebook, you can type Ctrl+C in the command line, or just close both the web browser tabs with Jupyter Notebook and the command line that you used to launch it. Anyhow, Jupyter Notebook is a web application that allows you to write live code in languages like Python. It is a great tool, especially for data analysis and visualization, as you will see in future videos. In Jupyter Notebook, near the top, you see a tab with the name Conda. We can access this tab because we installed nb_conda. When I click on it, you can see my different Conda environments, and you can also see which environment is my default environment. If an environment is my default environment, when I click to make a new environment, I can click on Python 3 and it will create a project in that virtual environment. By the way, clicking it will bring you to this page where we actually write the Python code. You can verify that everything is working as it should be by typing the following code into cells in Jupyter Notebook. Import Tensorflow in one, and import Keras in another. If after pressing Shift-Enter or running the code twice, you got no errors, and also using TensorFlow backend as shown on screen, you are good to go. And that's it. Now we can import TensorFlow and Keras, and start writing some pretty cool code. Stay tuned for just that in the following videos.